What is the main center of the film industry in India? A. Mumbai, B. Delhi, C. Chennai. Correct answer is A. Mumbai. What is the boundary line between India and Pakistan called? A. Radcliffe Line, B. McMahon Line, C. Durand Line. Correct answer is A. Radcliffe Line. Which state in India has the highest length of paved roads? A. Maharashtra, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is B. Uttar Pradesh. Which is the largest bird in the world? A. Ostrich, B. Emu, C. Saris. Correct answer is A. Ostrich. Which state in India produces the most bananas? A. Maharashtra, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Gujarat. Correct answer is B. Tamil Nadu. Which fruit never gets infested by worms? A. Pineapple, B. Guava, C. Banana. Correct answer is A. Pineapple. What is India's rank in the world by population? A. First, B. Second, C. Third. Correct answer is A. First. Which vitamin do we get from sunlight? A. Vitamin C, B. Vitamin D, C. Vitamin B. Correct answer is B. Vitamin D. In which state is the Sun Temple of Konark located? A. Odisha, B. Bihar, C. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is A. Odisha. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? A. India, B. Japan, C. China. Correct answer is B. Japan. Which country does not have a single news channel? A. North Korea, B. Nepal, C. Bhutan. Correct answer is C. Bhutan. How does the sky appear to astronauts from space? A. Blue, B. Black, C. White. Correct answer is B. Black. Who gave the slogan, Inqilab Zindabad? A. Subhas Chandra Bose, B. Bhagat Singh, C. Chandrasekhar Azad. Correct answer is B. Bhagat Singh. Which place is known as Silicon Valley? A. New York, B. Washington DC, C. California. Correct answer is C. California. In which year did India participate in the Olympic Games for the first time? A. 1900, B. 1948, C. 1928. Correct answer is A. 1900. What is mixed with oil in the making of soap? A. Acid, B. Alkyl, C. Salt. Correct answer is B. Alkali. Which part of the human body does not burn in fire? A. Bone, B. Heart, C. Liver. Correct answer is A. Bone. In which fair is the tradition of stone pelting between two groups practiced? A. Bhagoria fair, B. Bagwa fair, C. Khumbi fair. Correct answer is B. Bagwa fair. Which animal is called the cow of the poor? A. Sheep, B. Goat, C. Pig. Correct answer is B. Goat. What was the ancient name of the Indian city Mumbai? A. Bombay, B. Mumba Devi, C. Bambi. Correct answer is A. Bombay.